everyone, and welcome to the Weekly Report. I'm Maggie Green with the Public Works Department. Street projects continue and crews are taking advantage of nice weather. Today I'm out at View High Drive, which is receiving a brand new layer of asphalt through our street preservation program. Every year we resurface streets. To learn more about where we're working this year, visit kcmo.gov/streetpreservation. Work on the North Brighton widening project also continues. Utility conflicts are causing some delays on roadway construction, but work continues on the water line and power pole relocation. The contractor anticipates resuming roadway work in mid-October, and we still expect the project to be complete at the end of 2021. KC Water launched a new financial assistance program to help customers who are struggling to pay their water bills. We know COVID-19 and other circumstances have made keeping up hard for some customers. Customers can set up payment arrangements at kcwater.us or by calling 816-513-1313. You may also qualify for assistance through the 211 program. Visit 211kc.org or call 816-474-5112. Northland residents may also qualify for assistance from Northland Neighborhoods, Inc. and Metro Lutheran Ministries. Go to mlmkc.org for more information. The health department is recommending that everyone get a flu shot. To make an appointment, call 816-513-6108. Everyone in the building over 2 years of age is required to wear a mask. Vaccines are available for both the uninsured and the insured. There will be no out-of-pocket costs for children and adults who are uninsured or underinsured, or those with Medicaid or Medicare B. Those with Medicare Advantage plans will need to go to their primary care physician to be vaccinated. Find out more information on the flu shot at kcmo.gov/health. The health department accepts most private insurance plans, and many insurance plans pay the full cost of the flu vaccine. Thanks for watching the Weekly Report. I'm Maggie Green with the Public Works Department. Stay safe, KC, and stay tuned for more great city videos.
Celebrate an important cause and our work with United Women's Empowerment, Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. You have 1,000 people to appoint to boards and commissions. How do you even do that without the help of organizations like those who are with us today? Without the help of people that are saying, I know somebody, I have a friend, I have a spouse, I have somebody that I know in my office who will be exceptional. And I have been so proud as mayor to appoint some folks as chairs of our boards and commissions who are exceptional leaders, who are the best chairs of the PIAC group, who are the best chairs of other boards and commissions that I think this city's ever had. And we're going to keep doing that work by finding people that can change the way we think about things, people who understand diversity in a new and interesting and special way, and by finding a way that everybody in our community gets involved.
Two key insights. Women tend to undervalue their talent and experiences compared to their male counterparts, and many women want to serve, but they aren't being asked to do so. Our solution is the Appointments Project, a proven approach to increasing the gender diversity of public boards and commissions.
While the Links annually provides more than 1 million hours of volunteer service, we know that we must do more. And that is why we stand here today with our local government and United We, Sister Circle, and Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated in support of the Appointments Project.
To uplift the message and demand for increased diversity and gender representation on our boards, commissions, and other civic engagement spaces. As one of 6 women on City Council, I know firsthand how important it is to have women at the decision-making table. We bring a unique set of experiences and perspectives that inform how we lead, making our contributions just as important, if not more, and impactful as our male counterpart.
The Appointments Project is the exact type of beltway that we need, the opening that we need to go forward with serving our community. It's great that we have 52% of the women on there, but by partnering with women who are already doing the work, the Appointments Project is going to put more women, not just women of color, but women period, into where we need our voices in Kansas City.
Hi, I'm Kevin LaPointe, the City Forester for Kansas City, and I want to talk to you for a few minutes about trees. Trees are an incredible part of our lives every day. They offer us so many benefits. They provide beauty, the beautiful fall colors that we experience. They provide shade for us, helping to cool the pavement and make it last longer at bus stops and places around the city. A city tree, by the way, is a tree that's located within our street right-of-ways throughout the entire city and in our public grounds like our parks. The street right-of-way is usually between the street curb and the sidewalk, and in that grassy lawn, tree lawn area is where most of our city trees are. We have an inventory of over 140,000 street trees that we maintain in addition to all of our park area trees. So what do trees ask from us? Well, the only thing that trees really want from us is that we take care of them. And that's why we have a dedicated professional forestry staff with the Parks Recreation Department that takes care of our public trees. We maintain them by pruning them when they need to be pruned and elevated above the sidewalks and streets. We remove them when they get older and they die. And then in storm events, we take care of broken limbs and downed trees and help take care of all of that. And then we also try to plant trees whenever we can. So our forestry staff is highly skilled and it's dangerous work, and they do a fantastic job. So how can you work with us in taking care of our city trees? Well, when you see our crews out on the streets doing the great work that they do and the cleanup that they do, the professional work that they do, please encourage them and comment to them. And call 311, the City Call Center, whenever you need one of our services. There's no charge to the citizens of Kansas City for the services that forestry provides for our public trees. So call or get online and submit a request to trim the tree, to remove it when necessary, and partner with us in planting trees. We need more trees on our private properties as well in the street right-of-way. And also, if you do maintain a city tree with your own tree company that works on your trees, please call 311 and get a free permit from forestry so we have record of work that's being done on our trees. And if you want to plant one within the street right-of-way, it requires that you get a free permit from us. So join with us as we try to tree KC and take care of our city trees.
Today really is indeed a groundbreaking day, not just physically, but literally, because we are breaking grounds on all different levels. We have worked very hard for the last few months, years, weeks, to make today a reality. I would challenge each of you today to find ways that you can be the voice of affordable housing in your community. There's a lot of noise going on right now, and we need to add to that noise in a positive way. There's a lot of injustice going on today where families are locked out from having basic, simple necessities. Homeownership is a basic, simple necessity that everyone deserves. The founder of Habitat said everyone deserves a decent place to live and to call home. And that's what we're trying to do here today. But we cannot do it by ourselves. We need these collaborative partnerships to do it.
Kansas City is in desperate need of affordable housing, and I think all of us know that. And this project helps meet that need in the neighborhood in a very big way.
I want to thank the collaborative effort that's happening in our neighborhood. It truly takes a village, and a village is not just a small portion, but the people that have the means to assist come together to assist. And that's what's happening in this collaborative effort of Habitat, of the Urban Neighborhood Initiative, our volunteers that come to us daily to try to make a difference in my community in Wendell Phillips and the associating neighborhoods. We're learning not just in the pandemic, but we're learning that unity is so important in a community. And a community is not just Wendell Phillips, but it's the surrounding areas that make up the Urban Neighborhood Initiative and the ones that make up some of the other collaborative groups that we have come to rely upon for unity. And we also cannot go without thanking the city of Kansas City. Affordable housing and health care should not be a struggle. It should be something that is a rite of passage for being born in the greatest country in the world. It should be something that is normal, something that happens, something that prepares me to be able to be an asset.
The state of our communities has been a slow decay over the last 60 years, so it's vital that this initiative is not only a stake in the ground, but it also sets the foundation for new life in Wendell Phillips and other surrounding neighborhoods. So I continue to see interest and activity in other neighboring neighborhoods, as John was alluding to. We're working with folks in Santa Fe, with Key Coalition and Ivanhoe. So I think that as we continue to work with those organizations, as well as in this particular area, we're going to see a groundswell of new development. I think if we build it, they will come. I'm a firm believer in that. We've proven that once before, and I think we can do it again. So I look forward very much to seeing some dirt turns, some people moving back into the neighborhood, and I look forward very much for the city to continue to play a role to help revitalize our areas.
1, 2, 3. Good, and let's go ahead and turn that over. Go ahead and dig in. Make it work a little bit. Wait.